In which department? Are you a forensic specialist over here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Forensic.
Forensic medicine. HOD?
You know your daughter?
Yes.
Since birth.
Yes.
Let me finish my question. You are telling this
Yes, yes.
finger.
Yes.
This is a barcode. You have
There's
seen.
no birthmark.
You have seen.
I have seen
You
video.
you have
I
seen,
have pictures.
I'm not.
I have
I'm
pictures.
not telling that.
Yes, I
I'm
have
telling
pictures.
you have seen your daughter. Since she is your daughter.
Yes.
You the both.
मेरे आरे
parents.
marks बना मारे.
You the both parents. Your
Mark
brother.
Yes. मेरे
You
marks.
did not see this.
This is birthmark.
This is birthmark.
Not birthmark. Not birthmark. I have pictures.
Let me explain.
Yes.
Let me explain. I saw it.
I can bring younger photos.
I see.
Birthmarks are present from the childhood.
Manual instrument, that is throttling. If throttling is done on her neck, there will be thumb impression on one side. If the killer used her, is right-handed person, thumb impression of this thumb.
That is what I saw. I am saying.
Will go on the right side of the leg.
That is what I am saying. I saw.
On the right side of the leg.
Yes.
And four fingers.
That is what I saw. I am saying.
Four fingers bruise will be seen on the left side of the browser.